Hey guys, Adam here. So in today's video I'm going to talk about the WACACO NANOPRESSO espresso maker. Definitely a mouthful to say, but simply put, it's a small, portable, handy coffee machine which makes pretty good espresso. Now I got given this one for Christmas 4 months ago and initially thought I would use it whilst travelling and hiking. And then COVID-19 hit and I haven't been doing any travelling or any hiking, but I have been using this pretty much daily in Timor-Leste, where I've been living and volunteering in the tourism industry for the past 1.5 years, and here in Wellington, New Zealand, where I was repatriated from my life in Timor-Leste 6 weeks ago and have been in self-isolation and lockdown ever since, but still using this for my morning espresso, and I've been really impressed. Now, just before we crack into the video, this isn't a sponsored video. However, I have included an Amazon affiliate link below, and if you want to purchase one of these, feel free to do so using my link, and I get a very small commission from Amazon at no extra cost to you, which during these crazy COVID-19 times is very much appreciated. Okay, let's crack on with the video. This is how you make a delicious espresso with your WACACO NANOPRESSO. First things first is you put 8 grams of ground coffee into the coffee basket and tamp it down nice and tight, leaving a little bit of space at the top so that the filter will sit nice and snug, and then reassemble those 3 pieces and reattach to the main body of the NANOPRESSO. Next up, you take off the water tank and fill that with 80 milliliters of hot water to the line, and then reattach that to the body. Turn the piston anti-clockwise to release the pump, and then begin pumping the NANOPRESSO to build the pressure. It should take between 8 and 10 pumps to build the pressure, and then the coffee will start to be released. And keep pumping until completely empty. This takes around about 30 seconds. And then you've got your delicious espresso. Now, the specifications for the WACACO NANOPRESSO are that it holds 8 grams of coffee, 80 milliliters of water, it weighs just under 12 ounces at 11.8, and delivers 18 bars of pressure. Now, a few pros and cons of the WACACO NANOPRESSO. The pros are that it's easily portable, very light, very small, it's quick and easy to use, you can make an espresso in less than a minute, and it definitely delivers a pretty good espresso on the go. Now, a couple of the downsides, and there aren't too many, they're pretty minor to be honest, but if you've got a friend that also likes to drink espresso, you'll have to make one and then make a second and repeat the cycle. Like I say, it doesn't take too long, it's no biggie really. And if you are using the WACACO NANOPRESSO when you're out and about, you will need hot water, and therefore you can use a flask or a thermos, or you find a kettle or have a fire. And I guess finally, but not unsurprisingly, it's not barista quality. It's not the same as you're going to buy from a coffee shop where there's a barista and there's an espresso machine, but it's still very good, hence why I've used it pretty much every day for the last 4 months. And personally, I like to add a dash of hot frothy milk to my espresso coffee. There's a couple of ways I'll do this, either in the saucepan with the whisk, or if I'm feeling lazy, in the microwave in a cup for 1 minute, heat it up. And then transfer it into a coffee plunger and plunge until frothy, just like this. So in summary, who would I recommend buy one of these WACACO NANOPRESSOs? I guess anyone who's outdoorsy, into their hiking or traveling or camping, this would be ideal. And for those that want to step up from the French press or the plunger made coffee to a real espresso, but aren't complete coffee snobs, as this can't match a barista made espresso. And finally, I got the WACACO NANOPRESSO mainly for travel and outdoors. However, it's also fantastic for daily coffees at home or in the office at work. And for those looking to save a little bit of money on cafe bought espressos, or if you don't want to invest a lot of money in a bigger espresso machine, this is ideal. And it also avoids the environmental packaging waste of the pods. So if you're interested in buying one of these for yourself, I've included my Amazon affiliate link in the description below. This isn't a sponsored video, but if you do use my Amazon affiliate link, I get a very small commission from Amazon at no extra cost to yourself. If you enjoyed the video, hit like. If you've got any questions at all, drop them in the comments below and I'll get on and answer those. And feel free to subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys.